Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we got a request from our community member named Venetia, and she writes, "Hello Miss Planet." Hi Venetia. "I have been searching for these types of aisle pillars for a long time, but they are so expensive. So I was wondering if you can help me make these myself cheaper." Well, Venetia, of course we can. It is our pleasure. I cannot wait to show you how not only are we going to make this for a fraction of that price, but it's so easy. You won't believe how easy it is. So easy. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with this week's episode, Glam Aisle Wedding Stands. Let's go. First, we're going to go ahead and create our base and our top to our stand. I'm using two 6 3/4 inch wood plaques, and then I'm also going to be using an 1.5 inch PVC coupling fitting that I got from our local hardware store. Now, I have a handyman, he's my honeydew, and I had him cut 1.5 inch insert circles using our router saw. Now, you don't have a router saw yourself because you're not married to a honeydew like mine, I'm sure you know someone who knows someone who knows someone that can cut some circles into your wooden plaque. So, very simple. I then just attach them using hot glue. Now this is high heat hot glue to make sure that it stays. Now, your other options are you can use Gorilla Glue. I use the hot glue because, I like for you guys to see the end result a lot faster. If you're using Gorilla Glue, you definitely need to read the instructions and make sure you give it time to cure. If you're using hot glue, it should cure within 10, no more than 15 minutes. Now that our hot glue is cured, we're going to go ahead and attach our 1 1/8 inch by 36 inch wooden dowel. Again, simply using hot glue. Now with this, take your time. If you don't have a level, go to the hardware store and buy a level. Use a level to make sure that your wooden dowel is nice and even. Let's finish off our construction by adding our top to our stand, following the very same steps we did with the base. To give our stand a metallic look, we're going to go ahead and spray it with some foil silver spray paint. So we're going to have to attach the 6-inch styrofoam disc to our base as well as our top in order for us to be able to attach the flowers as well as the gem garland to it. So the top you're going to leave normal, we'll just glue that on a little bit later, but the bottom we're going to actually add these LED dome lights that I got from the Dollar Tree to give that special glow as your beautiful bride walks down the aisle. So I'm simply going to trace 3 holes. I'm going to trim them out. 2 of them I'm going to trim out just deep enough to place our dome lights into, and then the center one I'm going to cut completely out so that we can eventually attach it to the base of our stand. Now it's time to attach our foam to the base. I'm going to do that simply by adding 3 little separate dots of hot glue on each side of them and then sandwiching them together. Don't worry if they don't meet in the middle completely. It's okay. The floral arrangement that we're going to do in the bottom will cover it up. You'll never know it's there. I'm going to use anywhere from 4 to 6 medium-sized hydrangea heads to cover the top of the foam, making sure that I decorate around the lights because you want that light to show through, but you don't want to see the lights. You know what I mean? Now it's time to attach the garland. We're going to need to cut anywhere between 14 to 16 2.5-inch strands to go from the top to the base. So once we've attached our foam to the top of our stand, we're now ready to go ahead and attach our gem garland. We're going to attach our gem garland using very simple floral pins. We're going to space them about 1/2 inch or a finger's width away from each other. Very simple, very easy. A little tip you should know is 1 roll of this particular gem garland, which is 99 feet, will do 2 stands. And another little tip is 1 can of that 8-ounce spray paint will spray 4 stands. So just take that into account when you're totaling the cost of your project. A can of spray paint can cover 4 stands, and a 99-foot strand of gem garland can cover 2 stands. So it's kind of 2 for 1 or 4 for 1, however you want to look. I just love saving money. You're going to attach the garland to the bottom base, repeating the same steps with the floral pins, and then you're simply ready to add in your hydrangea heads. Well, Venetia, what do you think? Pretty awesome, huh? I'm so excited about how this turned out, and I'm even more excited about how much money we saved. Don't worry, guys. The links to the supplies and the project cost are right in the description below this video. Just click on that little upside down triangle or arrow, however you want to see it, and all of the information is at your fingertips. In addition to that, you'll find our Ebates link so you can even save more money on your project. We're all about that savings. You can also find a link to our newsletter so you'll know exactly what's going on with MissPlanIt at all times. And why don't you subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. And by all means, if you like this video, go ahead and like us, send us a comment, send us words of encouragement, or if you have a question, send that too. We are here to serve you. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you would like to submit a project request, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, or guess what? You can also get some awesome blog information. I love sharing information with you guys so you can have the wedding, party, baby shower, event of your dreams. That's what we're here for, to give you a plan, and you can take it and run with it. So if there's a plan that we can help you with, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the project request tab, and follow the very easy steps. As always, it was a pleasure to spend this time with you. We know that you have so many options on YouTube, And we are just so grateful and blessed that you choose to spend this time with us. So, until next time, guys, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.